What's up, y'all? This your man Bobby Wash, producer, singer, songwriter, filmmaker. About to do an unboxing today. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. But this right here is one of the best mics I've been hearing about for many years. It's a replica of that Sony C-800, the one that Drake uses. R. Kelly, Boys the Men, Drake. And I said Drake twice, huh? Drake is really good. Also, Dr. Dre. So here we go. Check it out.
What do you have there?
Well,
oh wow,
this is something delightful for everybody. Vocalists, all kind of vocalists can use this mic, man. Rap vocalists. I do R&B soul myself, so R&B soul definitely. So they put a box within a box. Put a box within a box, and here we go. Put this on the floor. Put it over there. Okay, and here we go. This is the real box.
This is the luxurious tube condenser mic.
Yes, ma'am. Let's get it open. I can't wait. I'm like a child at Christmas.
Okay, a child at Christmas, but Christmas ain't even here yet.
Oh, the Christmas comes every day in the Washington household. Thanks to the Lord Jesus Christ.
Oh.
All right, so here we go. Here we go.
Right.
Man, this is a nice case.
As you can see, he's overly excited.
This is a nice case.
This is pulling.
I've seen the metal cases, like the other one we got from Walmart. We got the U-87 the other day. This one right here is a nice, like a rubber. I don't know. It's plastic.
Hard plastic.
It's nice. Really nice. Yeah, let's see how they did it open. Okay.
It looked like.
Oh, you got clamps here. You got a clamp right here. Got clamps. See those clamps right there? Right there. See those clamps? These clamps here. You can't open it like that. It's locked. So you do this. You squeeze them. Yeah. All right. There it goes.
Whoa.
And this thing comes in many parts. It's not like a regular condenser mic. It's actually a tube microphone. So with a tube microphone, you get the mic, of course, right? The tube mic with a heat sink that actually pulls heat away from that tube action getting hot, pulls it away from the microphone, right? Got a nice little actually a sponge filter on top. I probably won't use that. I probably just use that with a pop filter. I don't want to smother the sound too much. It's a wind breaker. This right here is a nice band. They give you a cord with this one. The U-87 didn't come with a cord. I guess this is more expensive, huh? You got a power supply. Now this power supply is for this baby right here. This is what's gonna push that tube. You plug this into the tube box, and then this goes out to the microphone. You see? And this plugs into the wall outlet. And it has man, this is awesome. Got the blue light on there. Beautiful.
Yeah, I see.
And it's built nice, like a tank. Very
nice
strong
sturdy,
build.
yeah?
Very strong build, yeah. And you got this, then oh man, the shock mount is beautiful. So it's not silver like the other ones. This one is kind of black, which I like that black finish to match the mic. It's nice. Look at that.
Okay.
Wow. I can't wait to use this bad boy. When I use it, I will upload my first review, on how it sounds on the vocals, both lead vocals and background. So this is the mic that everybody's been raving about. I've been dreaming about, and I finally got it. Right? It's a replica of the Sony, but it sounds just like, from what I've heard, it sounds just like in warm audio. They do a very good job. The U-87 sounds just like, I'm sorry, the WA-8000 sounds like the U-87. And I've heard that on my voice before in the 90s. So I know the sound, all right? But, shout out to Warm Audio. You guys keep making those great mics. Peace and blessings.
All right. And you just enjoy your new toy there.
I sure will. These three hats have three different meanings. I'm going to break them down hat by hat. This hat represents me, the family man, husband, and father. This hat represents me, the musician, producer, singer, songwriter, street promoter. This hat represents me as a filmmaker, feature films, and vlogging. These hats also represent where I'm from, Miami. The cliche, you're a jack of all trades. But somehow I managed to master all three. I'm Bobby Washington, and these are my vlogs.